Nikto is a straightforward tool for checking web server security. It identifies vulnerabilities caused by server misconfigurations, default or insecure files, and outdated server software. Nicto is based on libwhisker 2, making it compatible with various operating systems, SSL, host authentication methods, NTLM basic, proxies, and various IDS evasion techniques. It can also enumerate subdomains, perform application security checks, like XSS and SQL injection, and attempt to guess authorization credentials using dictionary attacks. Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to use Nicto to discover potential security issues on websites. Let's dive in. For this purpose, you must have 3 things to be ready. First, you'll need Kali Linux installed and running on a virtual machine. This virtual environment isolates your scanning activities and safeguards your main computer. Make sure the virtual machine's network adapter is configured in a special mode called host only. This will allow communication between Kali and the target website. Next, you'll need a website to scan. In this tutorial, we'll use a website called Metasploitable2, which is deliberately designed to be vulnerable for educational purposes. This provides a safe space to practice without harming a real website. Make sure the virtual machine's network adapter is also configured with host only, so that this will allow communication between Kali and the target website. Next, we need a steady internet connection. A stable internet connection is essential for the scanning process to communicate with the target website. Access your Kali virtual machine, navigate to Settings, then to Network Adapter, and confirm that the second adapter is connected to the NAT network. Once 3 prerequisites are in place, you're prepared to scan for vulnerabilities on target websites. To begin, we'll exploit a website running on Metasploitable2. Before proceeding with the scanning process, it's crucial to identify the target's address. Open a terminal window in Kali Linux and execute the netdiscover command. This command acts like a digital radar, searching your network for devices. It will list the discovered devices along with their IP addresses. We already know previously that Metasploitable2 has a web page running on port 80. Launch a browser, and you can access its web interface by typing the IP address into your web browser's address bar. First, let's scan this web page to identify any vulnerabilities. You can locate Nicto in the Web Applications menu in Kali Linux, typically under Web Vulnerability Scanners, or you can run the Nicto command directly from the console. Executing Nicto will display all available options with detailed features. For more detailed information, you can also use the man command. Now, let's scan our target, which is Metasploitable2. Open a new terminal and type Nikto-H followed by the host IP address or URL. Then, specify the port using -P80. Nicto scans for vulnerabilities automatically and displays the results in the terminal. I've created a table based on this information for easy understanding. Unlike tools like Skipfish or Wapiti that generate graphical representations automatically, I used an AI tool to create this table to help me comprehend the data better. Now that you're comfortable with practicing in a safe environment, let's use Nicto to test a live website on the internet. For this exercise, we'll scan a website named testphp.vulnweb.com. Please note that this website is intentionally vulnerable for educational purposes. The process is very similar to what we previously did. This time, instead of using the host ID for Metasploitable2, we'll use a URL link. In the terminal type, Nikto-H, where -H is used to specify the hostname or IP address of the target website. In my case it is testphp.vulnweb.com. Next, include -P to specify the port number. Port 80 is commonly used for HTTP traffic and is the default port for web servers. Now, use the "-T command line switch followed by specific test numbers corresponding to the desired test types. We'll specifically select and execute tests related to information disclosure, injection, XSS script HTML, remote file retrieval, server-wide, command execution, and software identification against our target server. Next, include "-t" followed by a value to set the timeout in seconds for each test request. Additionally, use "-dv" to specify the display output verbosity level. After that, specify "-o" followed by the desired file name, and then use "-f" to specify the format for the scan report. For example, you can use "-f-htm" to generate the scan report in HTML format. There are other advanced options such as "-mutate" for guessing subdomains, files, directories, or usernames, "-evasion" to bypass the IDS filter, and "-single" for conducting a single test mode to focus on specific assessments. These options allow for a more comprehensive assessment of your target. Once you've configured your scan parameters, hit Enter to start the scan. This will provide valuable information that can help identify vulnerabilities and guide efforts to secure your website. After the scan completes, Nicto will generate an HTML file named webtest in your Kali directory. Open this file to review any valuable findings. If you have any questions or concerns related to this process, feel free to leave a comment for further discussion.